Okay, so we've sorted out that we've got the pump that we need to do the job. We've looked at the data sheet. We've looked at the MSDS in relation to what components are in the equipment, or in the paint I should say, to ensure that we keep ourselves safe. Now the important thing to remember is what is the safety equipment I need as far as dress is concerned. Well, ultimately with any paint that you atomise, you will need a mask, gloves, overalls. The other aspect of it is, as I mentioned before, with an airless gun, there is not a glove that this cannot penetrate. So what I want you to remember is that if I put a glove on, it's not going to stop that airless application penetrating the equipment that I'm wearing. So there's no glove that'll actually halt or stem the injection aspect of this particular tip. So the gloves are primarily for solvents and to keep the solvents off me. So my equipment that I need is gloves, of course. There are many different types of gloves we can wear. This particular type of glove is solvent resistant. The solvent resistant glove is designed to, it will soften and it will become pithy in the sense that all the fingers will end up dropping out of them. So the whole idea of this is for washing your equipment up and keeping all the equipment clean.